Yes.
Hey,
Hello.
hello.
We are live.
We're live. We're live. Hello. Oops. Hello, everyone. Andito na naman po kami. And of course, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, at kung anumang oras nakakarating sa inyo yan. For today, itong live session namin, magandang araw, magandang hapon at gabi po sa inyong lahat. Of course, ang topic natin for today is, nakikita nyo naman dyan sa baba, still having a second thoughts, overcoming doubts, and finally start the life changing venture, ika nga. So, ayan, kung gusto yung mag-start ng online business pero may mga doubts kayo, etong session po is perfect for you. Ako po yung host for today. My name is Malu and I'm based here in Canada and I've got 3 kids. And maybe you're asking yourself, kaya ko ba talaga to? Or alam mo yun yung mga questions, paano kapag mag-fail ako? Well, don't worry po, you're not alone. Lahat kami dumaan sa ganyang thoughts bago po nagsimula at normal lang ang matakot. Kaya tandaan natin, hindi mo malalaman yung totoong sagot, ika nga, hanggat hindi mo tinatry. You'll never know until you try. So the only way to know for you is, of course, by taking that first step. So today we have incredible, of course, lineup of mga business owners natin na dati ring nagkaroon ng second thoughts. They also had fears, they had doubts, hesitations, lahat na ng negative na yan. Pero instead of letting those stop them, of course, they took action. So now they're building their own legacy, they're changing their lives, and of course, creating a better future, not only for themselves, but of course, for their loved ones. So, mag-relax kayo dyan, sit back, and get ready to be inspired. Malay nyo, this might be the sign, diba, na inaantay nyo. So, let's get started. And we would like to have the ladies introduce themselves quickly. Let's start with si Sherry.
Hi, I'm Sherry from Canada, originally from Philippines, and I'm a nurse and as well as a business owner.
Yes, thank you, si Sherry.
Hi, I'm Faye Cox. I'm from South Carolina, USA. From Philippines also, but a business owner and a healthcare worker as well.
Yes, thank you, sis Fe.
Yes, this is Tess Padilla from Italy and a full-time worker and a digital business owner. Thank
Yes.
you.
Thank you. Thank you, sis She. Alrighty. Ayusin lang natin yan, screen natin. And of course, bago tayo mag-jump in sa ating topic for today, ano nga bang ano yung mga pain points, ika nga, bakit nag-hesitate yung mga tao? Bakit tayo may mga hesitations, 'di ba? Yung mga what if you fail? Tapos syempre, saka lang natin malalaman, sabi ko nga doon sa umpisa, pag hindi natin natatry. So, lahat naman tayo mapasuccessful or anuman, we always have that in the beginning. At saka may mga, wala akong oras, I don't have time, I don't know anything about online business. At matatakot ako, I'm afraid of what others will say. Sometimes napakahalaga yung opinions ng ibang tao. Pero sa alang-alang natin na yung opinions ng iba ay hindi magbabayad ng ating mga bills or magbi-build ng dreams, ika nga. So the only opinion that matters, of course, is yours. Now, let's dive in further here. Why do we stop doubting and took action, ika nga? So why do we have those? Let's hear it from our amazing online business owners here. Mauna na nalito na ako sa number. Sis Fe ba yun? Yung una?
Yeah, ako number 1. Okay.
Yeah,
okay. Hesitation is normal because I once in that, when I started, I have a big hesitation. Number 1 is I'm not a tech savvy. I don't know how to use laptop. I don't know much about using the phone. So that's my biggest hesitation, but I've never let that stop me from starting this digital business because over time, as long as you're willing to learn, matutunan mo din. At saka may mentorship pala dito sa loob na pwede mong tanungin kung ikaw ay nahihirapan at hindi ka nakaintindi. The community is there. There are big support to help you every question that you need to learn. So, para sa mga nag-hesitate dyan, huwag kayong matakot dahil ako din ganun, pero na-overcome ko yun. Kaya nag-take action ako at nandito na ako ngayon sa business na ito. That's it. Back to you, Malo.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Sis Fe. Yan, napaka-importante kasi yung support system, ika nga, di ba? Hindi naman natin magagawa to ng walang mentor, ng walang coach, or walang training platform, ika nga. Eh, ang dami-dami nating resources. O, saan ka pa? Sino pong next sa atin dyan? Sis Tess or Sis Sherry?
Tess. Yes, it's me.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah. At first, I kept waiting for the right time. You know, I wasted 2 years waiting for the right time because, you know, yung mga obligasyon, ang mga isang dahilan kung bakit I kept waiting for the right time. Pero pag laging yun ang hinihintay mo, yung perfect time, it will never come. So, but then I realized, you know, the perfect time doesn't really exist. You have to create it. So even though I'm, you know, a lot of obligations, one after another, but then, you know, 2 years is enough. Too long to wait. You know,
Yeah.
so, you know, I told myself if I'm not, you know, taking action, it will never come at the right time. So, step by step, I contacted the person I wanted to, you know, to be in this business. So she became my my coach and personal mentor. So kung talagang gusto mong mabago yung buhay mo, gusto mong magkaroon ng pagkakakitaan, yung perfect time ay hindi dumarating unless you create it yourself. So napakaganda yung bagay na take action while you have, you know, the time, dahil hindi natin alam mamaya you know, hindi na natin magagawa pa. So yun lang ang maibabahagi ko.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Sis Fe. Yeah, napakaganda yung sinabi mo na wala talagang perfect time and it will never come. Ika nga, diba? So, even, lahat naman tayo may mga obligations, mga ganyan. Sabi mga 2 years is too long. Naku, hindi ako makapaganda nun. Sobrang tagal na nun. Kaya if you don't take action, it will never come talaga. So, mas maganda talaga yung sinabi mo na you create it yourself, diba? Bakit hindi na lang manggaling sa'yo mismo na mag-take ka na ng action and you create that perfect time? Di po ba? What do you think then, Sishe? Why we stopped doubting and took action?
I know. This is like a follow-up topic of this as well, because before I thought I don't have time. I said what I will do because I don't have time. I'm always busy. I'm always working. But between work, family, and your responsibilities, something like you're doubting yourself. Can I do this? You know? But I kept telling myself I will start when things get slow down. But what, you know, life never really slows down, right? It's a matter of how you create your own time management of your time. So if I kept waiting for the perfect time, I don't think, you know, maybe I'm stuck in the same place. I haven't started, you know, because there's no perfect timing. So instead, you know, I said I have to do this. I have to take action, you know. I started like building my business, you know, 30 minutes learning, you know, because we have the training. So you build at 30 minutes and then you will increase into 1 hour. So what is 1 hour you can deliver to your business, right? At first, it felt like I wasn't doing much because it's only like 30 and 30 minutes. So, but those small efforts, remember this, it adds up. The more you showed up, the more confident you became. The same thing, I feel the same because if I stop, I will not grow. So now I can see the real result. I become confident, I know how to mentor, my business partner because of all this training that I've learned. So, if you think you will be looking for the perfect timing, there's no perfect timing, and you feel that I wish I could have started before in order for you to grow in this business and in order for you to flourish and see the real result. So if you feel like you don't have time, ask yourself, are you willing to make time for the future you truly want? This is very, like an arrow that pierces you. Are you really willing to change your life, change your future? So make time for yourself. So don't always take like, I don't have time. Start now. I guess that's my thoughts for this.
Yes, that's very amazing, si Sherry. Yeah, lahat naman tayo talagang may mga doubts talaga at sabi mo nga life never slows down for you. Never na mag-slow down. Exactly. So, yung mga small effort na yan, talagang the more you train yourself, the more confidence hanggang maging hanggang mag-grow ka na talaga. So, sabi mo nga, ang daming mga resources natin, yung mga trainings, doon tayo matututo lahat. And we all have this wishful na thinking na we all wish na we started earlier, di po ba? Like, na kung anong age ka man, 50s, 40s, 30s, whatever, what age you are, mas maganda mag-start na ngayon kasi hindi na natin maibabalik, di ba? So, napakaganda din yung sinabi niya, ask yourself, are you willing to make time? Ang dami nating time para sa mga ibang bagay, yung mga hindi naman why not dito na lang, di ba, mag-invest ko na lang sa sarili mo and sa future mo kasi napaka-importante naman talaga. So, yun po yung natin dyan. Thank you. At meron pang, ang dami pang mga questions, yung mga scared ka sa failure, di po ba? And then you ask yourself, paano pag hindi nag-work? Di ba? Lahat tayo, sabi nga, ang dali-daling pagka mga mga marites, ganyan, ang daling paniwalaan. Pero pagdating dito, parang it takes time para, alam mo yon, yung gusto nyo ng results, it takes time talaga. Pero pagdating sa mga chismis na ganyan, ang bilis nating maniwala, di po ba? Ano pa ba yung mga natin? Why we stop doubting? At meron pa ba kayong mga gustong idagdag?
Also, it says this. Why are you worried about what people say? This is your business.
Exactly.
Start. Why you're worried about so much things, in the world. But what is important to you? Why you want like a side hustle? You want to grow. You want to learn. So don't worry about other people say. Just keep going.
Yeah, that's your life, ika nga. That's your dream. People will not build your own dream. You have to build your own dream, sabi nga. So, next next topic, how to push past fear. Paano natin matatanggal yung mga fear and how do we take action? Mauna tayo kay sis Sherry.
Yeah, so in order to move with our doubts, we're taking actions. So remember your why. So ask yourself, what do I truly want in my life? More time with my family, retire early, financial freedom, flexibility. Why you want to start? So
we've got si Cheryl.
Yeah, I want to yeah. So remember always your why I will start. For me, I want to start because I want to retire early. I'm not young anymore, so I want to enjoy with my family because even I don't have children, but I have my nieces and my nephew. I want to get involved with them sometimes. I want to be with my husband. We want to enjoy traveling. That's your biggest why. So why can you not start? That's why you have to know your why. What matters to you? What do you truly want in your life? What is your dream? So that's what I guess, your why is bigger than your fear. Don't be scared. Always remember your why is bigger than your fear. Why you want a side hustle, why you want to grow, why you want to become confident, This is yourself. This is your future. So make time and remember always your why you started this.
Exactly. Thank you, Sis Cheryl. That's wonderful. I'd like to call on Sis Cheryl here. Thanks for joining us, Sis Cheryl. You're now in the spotlight. Sis Cheryl is from UK. We can't hear you to share, but it's okay. Now that we've seen Sis Cheryl, thanks for joining us. Anyway, so sino po yung next dyan? How to push past fear and take action. Anong ano natin dyan, Sis Fe?
Okay, to eliminate the fear, stop overthinking and start doing, that will bring changes into your life. So I guess that's the best idea to, to let the fears get out of your way, by stop thinking, overthinking, and that's kind of me. So I have to eliminate that fears that is like creeping inside my, myself, so that I will see changes, because really overthinking will kill your dreams. So yeah, take the first step. Don't overthink, and everything will make a sense after that. Once the overthinking, you will eliminate all that stuff and the fears will go away. So yes, that's all for me.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Sis Fe. Lahat naman tayo napapraning, 'di ba? Nag-overthink tayo. At normal lang 'yan. Pero kung mag-start na tayong magsimula, if we take action immediately, mawawala yung ano natin, kapraningan natin. Si Cheryl, are you still there? Do you still wanna can you hear us?
I can hardly hear you.
Oh, you can hardly hear us. Okay. But thanks for joining, si Cheryl. Okay. Doon tayo kay
Can I say something? Yeah.
Yeah. Do you wanna add something? How to push the past fear and take action?
Yes. You know what? Before I started this business, no, I was having second thoughts. Kasi nga, syempre, I was worried what others will think. But at the end of the day, I realized that it's my life. So these people will not be able to help me. So I've got to do something to change my life. So yes, don't worry about what people say. Just think about that this is really what you're trying to achieve. So yeah, po, so hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, sis Share. Thanks for sharing us. Although medyo choppy yung ano niya, pero hopefully naman nag-grasp natin na like lahat tayo nag-start talaga yung may mga fears tayo, ika nga, pero if we know our whys and we know kung yung support system na nasa business na to, hindi tayo hindi tayo mawawala yung mga doubts and fears. Would you like to add more, sis Tess?
Yes, in starting the business, we have to surround ourselves with the right people. Kasi, ewan ko kung napapansin nyo, when we are in the business or when we are starting the business, no one in your family, is supporting you. Friends are, it's like they don't know you anymore. So it's like you are doing it alone. But, inside this business, online business, there is many positive people, that are willing to support you. You're not alone doing this business, and the whole community is there. If you think you lost, your friends, you can find inside the true friends, family, even you don't know them personally, but then like us here, we don't know each other personally, but we are like, sisters, friends, so napakaganda na maging positibo lagi yung isip natin when we are starting the business, at lagi nating tatandaan na ang oportunidad, kailangan nating i-grab yung mga opportunity. Hindi natin dapat pansinin o isipin yung mga idudulot na mga risk, dahil normal na pag nag-business ka, there is always a risk that you're not alone to solve them. So napakaganda na isipin natin napakaganda na hindi natin isipin yung bagay na yung laging sumasagi sa isip natin na kapag nag-uumpisa tayo ng business is like, what if I fail, Instead, you have to think the positive way na what if this business will change really my life, into something very productive.
Yes.
Yan lang. Thank you.
Thank you, sisters. Gusto ko lang balikan yung sinabi mo na, of course, we wanted to surround ourselves with people na mag-uplift sa atin. Yung family, they will always be there to support us. Although hindi naman po lahat. Pero hindi natin hindi natin sila ini-ignore. They're just there. Probably they're also curious. They're also like wondering. May mga doubts din sila. Syempre, iniisip nila yung welfare mo, inisip nila yung kapag hopefully hindi ka ma-scam, yung ganon, parang concern sila kumbaga. So of course, but not everyone, especially may mga friends din tayo, sabi nga ni Ate Tess, meron yung mga mag-i-ignore sa inyo. Well, that's pretty normal kasi nga as we grow, some will change, sabi nga, some will not be there for you anymore, but that's okay. It's so super normal and super okay. Basta we just have to keep moving forward, and we have to just andun lang tayo, and it would really be nice to see those who truly believe in you, di po ba? Pero again, some people will walk with you as long as sometimes parang it benefits them, ika nga, parang kung wala kang maitutulong sa kanila, then hindi ka nila papansin. Pero don't be afraid to let go of those who don't clap for your wins, sabi nga. So okay lang din yon. It's all part of being in this business, or kahit anong klaseng business man yan. So ayun, ano pa nga bang natin, how to push past fear and take action. Syempre andyan yung mga learnings natin, may mga mistakes. Meron po kaming episode about yung bakit parang kailangan part of growing or mistakes and challenges, ika nga, and then having that, of course, the right mindset. So ayun po, meron po ba kayong idadagdag mga ka-empower?
Yeah, I just want to shout out to Malu for having a business payday success.
Thank you.
Yes, congratulations.
It's real.
It's legit, diba? Hindi siya scam.
That's right,
Hindi po scam ito, at nagbabayad po siya. And we already have our T4 sa mga nasa Canada, and I think 1099 yata ang tawag sa US. So it's
yes, 1099 sa US.
So it's really legit po. May mga ida-declare kaming mga receipts and all that, part of the tax. So ayan, isang magandang na naman po, magandang session at inspiring session ang aming naihatid ngayon today. Meron po ba kayong mga ladies, meron po ba kayong mga idadagdag? Just few tips and tricks.
Take action, watch the webinar.
Right. And also look at the website. Si Cheryl, andyan yung website ni si Cheryl. Just www.cheryl.young/young.com, and then we have si Sherry. You want to promote your site?
Yeah. check my website or message me. So www.sherrylamis.com. I'll see ya.
And Sis Tess?
Yes, you can register at my website, www.tesspadilla.com, so that you can watch the webinar and the real people, success people who are there also with their videos and so on. So
Yeah.
it's very nice.
Sorry.
No, it's okay.
And then we stop overthinking, Sis Fe.
Alright. Alam kong mayroong nanonood, nagmamasid sa akin kung ano ang ginagawa ko. Nandito lang yung website. Kung may mga tanong kayo, sign up lang kayo dyan. I'll be happy to share this opportunity with you. That's it.
Alrighty. Okay, isa na naman pong napaka-inspiring session for today. Sana marami po kayong natutunan sa lahat ng mga nanood or manonood ng mga replay namin. Maraming salamat po, at normal lang talaga yung doubts, mga fears, magduda kasi tao lang naman tayo. Pero ang malaking question dito is, hahayaan mo bang pigilan ka ng mga doubts na to sa pag-abot mo ng mga dreams mo, di po ba? Antayin mo na lang ba ng mga 2 years bago ka ulit mag-start? So remember, wala naman siyang perfect time para magsimula. So the best time is now. Your dreams, your future, your legacy, it all starts in one decision. So kung ready ko nang i-push aside ang mga doubts at simulan ng journey, nakita nyo naman po yung mga website namin. You just have to reach out to us at nandito kami para gabayan po kayo every step of the way. So bago tayo magtapos, kung sino man ang sinong nanood, drop us a comment kung ready na kayo, and if you're ready to take action. Thank you so much for joining us tonight, especially sa ating mga ladies. Thank you so much. Thank you, at nakahabol si Cheryl from UK. And I guess we'll see you again actually tomorrow. We'll see you again tomorrow.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.